Hi, I'm Aarish Ansari, a professional football freestyler, and today I'll be testing my skills against the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G. But first, some music. Now, can the phone match my speed? Okay. That was fast. But is the phone's balance as good as mine? So I heard the smartphone's camera is really good, but can it go up against 3 Ms? Guys, my battery is dead. I need a timeout. I thought the phone could not match up to my skills, but I think we have a clear winner over here, and it is the Realme 9 Pro Plus 5G.